Hi, back again. Today is day 28 of my gratitude, and I want you to meet someone special. Okay? He's Alfie, and he just turns 10 today. You can wish him a happy birthday. He loves being wished a happy birthday, so you guys can wish him each time we sing happy birthday to you. He's okay. I don't want him to start barking. He typically start barking and jumping about, looking forward to the cake. And we had a birthday party last night itself, and there's another one today. So my gratitude is for Alfie. He's been in our life for 1 month short of 10 years. He came when he was 1 month old, exactly 30 days old, 10 years ago, and he's been with us all this while. He's now in doggy years. If it's 10 years in doggy years, it's 70 years in man years. So this is Sashtita Purti. It is a 70th birthday celebration today. And I would like each of you to wish him, because he he is someone who has helped develop all of us as a family. He brought, see, my two sons were 13 and 8 when he came into our lives, and I was worried about how they would develop and grow, whether they would be able to, have a wide variety of emotions, that's from extreme joy to extreme sadness, because we need to be able to traverse this whole emotional range, right? That happens when you have someone you love, where you can show your love unabashedly, where you can be yourself. And each of my kids are themselves when they engage with Alfie. So their true nature comes up, how they interact with him, how they learned from him, how they have learned about themselves through him and through this relationship. All of this is developed over the last 10 years. I am grateful for Alfie for being a family member and for bringing us together as a family, and to show us how important it is to love without expectations. That is something he has taught us. He doesn't expect anything, he just loves. And you can we end up reciprocating and sharing the same way, and through that we learn how to love someone without expecting anything in return, without expecting them to behave in any particular way or do things in a particular way, which is extremely important. Accept people for who they are and love them just for being in your circle, to be in your vicinity, to be breathing the same air as you're breathing. All right, so just for that, just for the gift of being together, the love is being shared. So as you can see, you're very, very happy to relax, and he's taught us how to relax, he's taught us how to live in the moment, he's taught us how to show gratitude. I mean, when he finishes eating, he just comes and licks my hand and goes. Because if I've given him his food, he just comes and shows his gratitude. It's just one lick, and he'll go to show that okay, I'm happy. And there are so many little things that he does, which has he's wondering what I'm doing. See, look at the look in his face. He's wondering what I'm doing, talking to whom on this camera. So he's unable to understand, and he's just was looking up at me at that time. Anyway, so this is what a pet, a dog, does for you, and this is what Alfie has done for us, and I'm extremely grateful to have had him in my life for so long, and I'm looking forward to the next few years that he has. As you know, dogs, Labradors, 10 to 14 is the age range. It depends on so many other things. So he has already got this hip displacement, so arthritis in advanced stages, cataract, and he's under good medical treatment. But recently I met a friend who has a natural food for dogs, which I'm hoping to shift to, and it's called Tail and Tails, and they have some. I've still not tried it on him, but I've seen the dogs which have been fed on that, and it's really good, and I'm looking forward to having him on this new diet, and hopefully he'll be able to get cured or at least improve or strengthen his hips, and so that he's able to enjoy the rest of his years with us. So thank you, Alfie, and thank you all for watching. So this is me and Alfie. Alfie, say bye. Look here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, you know there's no cake now. What a fraud you are. He knows. Normally we are around a table, and when we start, we all sing together. Guy goes crazy. So he now knows they're extremely intelligent, extremely smart. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch up again later, that is tomorrow. So this is day 28 of my gratitudes. So this is me and Alfie signing off. Bye bye. See you.